Are you looking for the next big opportunity to make online? NFTs are still booming, and 2025 is the perfect time to jump in. Whether you're an artist, investor, or entrepreneur today, I'll show you how to make serious money with NFTs. Stay till the end because I'll share some powerful strategies to maximize your earnings. 1. Understanding NFTs. Animated graphics of NFTs, blockchain, Ethereum logos. First, let's break it down. What exactly are NFTs? NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's a unique digital asset stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are interchangeable, NFTs are one of a kind. They can represent digital art, music, videos, in-game items, and even virtual real estate. 2. Creating and selling NFTs. Screenshots of NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Blur. One of the best ways to make money with NFTs is by creating and selling them. If you're an artist, musician, or content creator, you can turn your work into NFTs and sell them on platforms like OpenSea and Rarible. Here's how. 1. Choose an NFT marketplace and connect your crypto wallet. 2. Mint your NFT by uploading your artwork or content. 3. Set your price, fixed price or auction. 4. Promote it on social media to attract buyers. Artists like Beeple made millions selling digital art through NFTs, so why not you? 3. NFT trading flipping. Charts, NFT sales records, animated trading. Not an artist? No problem. You can still make money by trading and flipping NFTs. The key is buying low and selling high. Here's a simple strategy. C. Find undervalued NFTs from new or trending collections. Buy them early before they gain mainstream attention. Sell them at a higher price when demand spikes. Look for NFTs with utility. Gaming NFTs, metaverse land, or those with strong communities. 4. Play-to-earn gaming NFTs. Gameplay footage from Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Illuvium. Gaming is another exciting way to earn with NFTs. Play-to-earn P2E games reward players with NFTs and crypto for playing. Games like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Illuvium allow users to collect NFTs and sell them for real money. The best part? Some gamers are making thousands of dollars monthly just by playing. 5. Staking earning passive income. Crypto staking charts, passive income earnings. Want to earn money without actively trading or creating NFTs? NFT staking lets you earn rewards by holding NFTs in staking pools. Platforms like NFTX and Aavegotchi offer rewards in the form of crypto, just for holding specific NFTs. This is a great passive income strategy for long-term investors. 6. Investing in virtual real estate. Metaverse cities, digital land sales. Virtual real estate is becoming a hot trend in 2025. Platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox allow users to buy, sell, and rent virtual land as NFTs. Businesses are already purchasing virtual spaces to create stores, event spaces, and gaming hubs. If you invest early, your digital land could skyrocket in value. 7. NFT royalties. Earn even after selling. Smart contract transactions, royalty payments. One of the best ways to make continuous income is through NFT royalties. When you sell an NFT, you can set up royalties so that every time it's resold, you get a percentage of the sale. This means you keep earning even after the initial sale. Imagine making money every time your artwork changes hands. 8. Risks, how to avoid scams. Visuals, warning signs, scam alerts. Of course, making money with NFTs isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Scams, rug pulls, and market volatility can be dangerous. Here's how to protect yourself. Always research projects before investing. Avoid deals that sound too good to be true. Use secure wallets like MetaMask and Ledger. Never share your private keys. So there you have it. These are the top ways to make money with NFTs in 2025. Whether you're an artist, trader, or gamer, NFTs offer endless opportunities. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips.